Hi students, coming to the next sorting technique, selection sort algorithm. In the previous video, I explained about bubble sort algorithm. In this video, we will discuss about selection sort algorithm. Selection sort algorithm is a simple sorting algorithm. It provides better performance than the bubble sort algorithm. Which means in bubble sort algorithm, we have to swap the elements many times for one iteration. But here, you have to make only one exchange for every iteration. This algorithm selects the smallest element, and swaps into the right place for every pass. So the selection sort algorithm selects the smallest element and swaps that element into the right place for every pass. Every pass means every iteration. Okay. Which means in each pass of the selection sort, the smallest element is selected from the unsorted subarray and exchanged with the element at the beginning of the unsorted list. See here, this is an array, collection of unsorted elements stored in this array. Start from the first element, okay. Start from the first element. This is the first element, 10. The index position of first element is 0, next 1, 2, 3, 4. The first element is what? 10. So, we have to start from the first element. And next, search the smallest element in the array and replace it with the element in the first position. See here, these elements are arranged in unsorted order. Okay. Now we have to arrange these elements in sorted order using selection sort algorithm. Okay. Find the smallest element. Smallest element is what? 4. Okay. This is the smallest element. So you have to replace it with the element in the first position. So this is the smallest element. So you have to replace this element to first position. Okay. And this element here. Okay. This is called pass 1. Pass 1 means first iteration. Or you can say this is first iteration. Okay. So next, write the elements here 4 here, this 10 here. Okay. 10 here, 20 here, and 6, 7. Leave this element, okay. Leave this element because this element is present in its right position, okay. So you have to leave this element. Next, take this elements, okay. This is the sorted element. These are the unsorted elements. Check this 4 elements, okay. Which element is smallest element? Here, 6, okay. So you have to exchange this 6 in second position and exchange this 20 here, okay. So you have to write this 6 here, this 20 here, okay. Next, leave these 2 elements. Take next 3 elements, okay. See here. Now move on to the next element position and look the smallest element present in the subarray. Subarray means this is sorted array. This is unsorted array, okay. This subarray is called unsorted subarray. This subarray is called sorted subarray, okay. From starting index till last index of subarray. From starting index to till last index, okay. Now replace the second smallest element. So we replaced this 6 here, 20 here, okay. This is repeated until the array is completely sorted. So it will continue until the entire array is sorted in the respective order, okay. So let us see one example. Then you clearly understand about the selection sort algorithm, okay. Let us see that. Now take some unsorted elements. Now we are going to arrange these elements in sorted order using selection sort algorithm, okay. So now let us write the initial array 13, 16, 11, 18, 14, 15. This is the first element, okay. This first element is stored in 0th position. This is first position, second, third, fourth, fifth. Now you have to start from the first element. Exchange this first element with the smallest number, okay. Which one is smallest number? This is the smallest number, 11. Okay, 11 is the smallest number. So you have to exchange these elements. So this is the first pass, or you can say this first iteration. Okay, pass 1 or iteration 1. Okay, so right after the pass 1, you will get 11, 13 here. Okay, here the 16. Write the remaining elements. Okay, now this element is in the right position, so this is sorted element. These are unsorted elements. Now you have to leave this element because this is sorted element, so you concentrate on these elements. Okay, check the next smallest number, 13. Okay, this is the next smallest, so you have to exchange. This is the second pass, pass 2, second iteration. Now write 11, 13 here, 16 here. Write the remaining elements. So now these two elements are in sorted order. Okay, sorted, but these are unsorted elements. So now you leave these two elements, focus on the unsorted elements. Okay, so which one is the smallest element here? 14. Okay, 14. So exchange it here, and this value is here. So this is the third pass, pass 3. 11, 13, 14 here. Okay, 14, 16 here, 18 here, 15. So now these three elements are sorted. Okay, so now leave these three elements. Okay, take these elements only, find which number is smallest. This is, so bring this 15 here, bring this 18 here. Okay, so this is the pass 4, 11, 13, 14, 15 here. Okay, and 16, 18 here, 18. So now these elements are sorted. Okay, so now check these two elements, which one is smallest? 16. Okay, 16 is present in its correct position. Okay, so no need to exchange. So in fifth pass, write the sorted elements. Okay, 11, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18. So finally at the end of fifth pass, we got the sorted elements of array. Okay, so this is the way you have to do the selection sort. Okay, thank you.